You need to hear this if you're a bird enthusiast. Parrots are not just pretty faces. They're witty, they're smart, and they're about to surprise you. Let's dive right in. Parrots can talk, right? But did you know they can develop a vocabulary of up to 1,000 words? Yes, some are even chattier than your aunt at Thanksgiving. And get this, they can live almost as long as humans. Some parrots are out there celebrating their 80th birthday, probably with more cake and fewer candles. Now onto their diet. These feathery friends don't just munch on seeds. Wild parrots can be quite the food critics, feasting on nuts, fruits, and even small insects. Talk about a diverse palate. So, next time you meet a parrot, remember, you're not just looking at a bird, but a potential lifelong chat buddy who might just outlive your pet dog. Now, isn't that something to squawk about?